very charismatic, sarcastic, very quick-witted.
Linda Ventura remembers happier times before losing her son Thomas to a heroin overdose 9 years ago.
The one thing that I always thought is, wow, was I lucky to be his mom for the 21 years that I had him, because tomorrow's never promised.
She turned her grief into a fight to hold dealers accountable for putting lethal substances into the hands of those suffering with substance abuse. Ventura teamed up with state officials and advocates to discuss new legislation that would charge drug dealers with homicide in the event someone dies from an overdose.
20 states have a death by dealer statute like I'm proposing, and it's common sense that New York have it on its books.
The CDC reports a 30% increase in overdose deaths nationwide over the last year. According to New York State Senator Todd Kaminsky, there's been a 34% spike in drug overdose deaths in Nassau County. And in 62% of those deaths nationally, fentanyl has been found in the bloodstream of some victims. Sponsors of the death by dealer law say the law would make drug dealers accountable, like in the case on Long Island over the summer, where 6 people died of drug overdoses in just 1 week.
In that case, they were able to find the evidence to charge manslaughter. But prosecutors shouldn't have to jump through hoops in order to prove something that common sense tells us is true, that drug dealer caused the death of someone, and they should be held accountable for that. This lays out 2 levels of homicide. A Class B homicide for simply dealing drugs that kill people. But it is also a Class A felony, and the highest charge a prosecutor could bring if there are aggravated circumstances, such as dealing to a minor, knowingly adding fentanyl to the drugs, targeting people who you know had just left rehab or are in rehab.
In addition to stiffer penalties, recovery centers like Thrive are essential to helping those suffering with addiction. It's a community safe space offering a host of programs to those in need.
Here we offer a wide variety of services, from peer support groups to yoga to refuge recovery to crafting.
And offering support is exactly what Ventura also aims to achieve through her Thomas's Hope Foundation.
I try to be the person I wished I had, holding my hand through my walk.